Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook page from desktop computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am scrolling down my Facebook page. Look, the video is automatically playing. And now I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic play videos on Facebook page. Click on your account icon on upper right corner, then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left pane you will find an option videos. Click on videos. Here you will find the second option autoplay videos and default is set. Click on the drop down and select off. Now autoplay videos is turned off from my Facebook page. Now I am going to home page and scroll down. Look, video is not automatically playing right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.